I was a freelance journalist for a while. I did some press and I traveled a lot. I was very lucky to be able to travel. And I got to see lots and lots of different cultures and gardens. And so gardening has always been in my background, my family particularly. And then I got back from living abroad and I had to go into dialysis for just short of a decade. And during that time, I did other work, but the one thing that always relaxed me was coming back into my garden, horticultural therapy. And it was just even weeding, puttering about the garden, sowing seeds. It just took away the 4 hours of being on a machine. It made it better. It made it seem like you could go a wee bit further and you could get there to the end of the week. So I finished up dialysis. My amazing wife gave me a kidney in 2016. And what happened was I was about to apply for a master's in conflict resolution. And my wife turned around to me and went, "That's all very well and good, you know your stuff. But what really makes you happy is being in the garden and you're quite creative. So why don't we look at that?" And that's how I ended up at SRUC doing the HND in garden design. I've been working with a landscaping firm doing some gardens off and on, but at the moment I'm going to have to just hope to get onto third year. And I am ideally looking to become a landscape architect.